Hi everybody, this is Miss Trebbing. I'll be your summer school math and science teacher. I just wanted to say hello and kind of show you how this is going to go. Safe from our homes, and I still want you guys to have a summer. So, first starting off, when you get on your dashboard, you should see a class right here that says summer school. You'll click that class, open it up. This is just like at the end of the year, but I'm going to go through it just to remind you it's been a week or so. For my class, Science and Math, you'll see this as your home page. Now the first thing you'll see is this video that you're watching currently, so please click that video, and then you'll continue down. Now from here, I've separated it by each week. You won't be able to access week 3 yet. We're only on week 2. Last week was week 1. You should have been doing Imagine Math. If you weren't, that's okay. Don't worry about it. We're on now week 2. So you'll click on week 2 and it'll open up the week's lessons. I've put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll show you that in a moment. On the home page though, some important things you need to know. First thing is office hours. You can get a hold of me. I will be at a desk at this time from 10 to 11 every day, Monday through Thursday, okay? I'm treating this just like if we were in the classroom at school. You would only be doing work Monday through Thursday and have Friday off. So we're going to do the same thing online. So to get a hold of me on a Zoom meeting, all you do is click that link and it'll open up and you'll see my beautiful face and we can talk and you can ask questions, or if you just want to talk to a teacher, you can, anything that's going on, okay? So that will be that, followed by my email. Parents, kiddos, here's my email if you need me. Parents, if you need my phone number, please let me know and I'll send it to you individually as you need it. But I'd also love you to sign up for Class Dojo. Here's the code to do that. This is just an easier way. I'm going to start sending out a link to parents next week as well, just to help us communicate a little easier. And I can reach out to you and say, hey, your child's not doing this week. Can you make sure they're getting it done? Or, hey, they're doing a great job. Can you just pat them on the back for me? So it's just an easier way instead of the phone numbers and voicemails and all that stuff as well. So now let's look at this week's things. So if I click on week 2, this will pop up, and this is all of the assignments. I'm putting up Wednesday and Thursday stuff. But you'll see here's Monday math, here's Monday science. Here's Tuesday math, here's Tuesday science. So I've put it all under one thing. That way you're not having to go back and forth and find things and like that. So once you click on it, it'll open up the assignment to what you're supposed to do today. So this is for tomorrow on Monday. I'm recording this on Sunday. You'll watch this video and then you're going to complete a quick quiz. This is all review from 5th grade. So some of it may be starting out a little easier because we're going back and looking at some TEKS that we just need to review. And then we'll get into a little bit harder as we go, okay? So if it is somewhat easy for some of y'all, I know you'll look at it and say, oh my gosh, this is so easy. That's good. That means you totally understand that TEK, but you still need to practice it and review it, okay? So get this done for today on Monday, and then you'll just simply press the back button and it'll come back to the week's assignments, okay? Now, like I said, this should be done by Thursday. If you want to tackle more than one day at a time, that is completely fine. These assignments should not take more than 30 minutes. For each subject, you will have math, science, English, and social studies. So keep that in mind when you're working on your things. I recommend starting at 8 or 9 o'clock, maybe if you sleep a little late, 10 o'clock, work till noon. Hopefully you have some of that stuff done. Most of your subjects. Take a break if you need to, come back, finish it in the afternoon, and be done. If you're a real go-getter, get it done in the morning so then you have your afternoon done. Because like if we were at school, you would be there from 8 to 12. So I'm thinking, why don't you work from 8 to 12 on your assignments, getting your things done, and then we're good to go. Now, kiddos, what I also want to show you, you'll have chat located. Hopefully some of y'all use this at the end of the year with your teacher. this is for y'all to reach out to me as well. So I can put hi everybody or everyone and click it, and it's almost like a Facebook chat text message that we can do. You can also come over here to inbox to remind you guys. Come to inbox. You click this here to compose a new message. You will select me or a friend if you even want to, but you'll select my name, you'll put your question, and send it off to me, okay? Look for the videos along the way. Make sure you're not missing anything. If it's an assignment that has like a little extra step, you'll have that video to see. So make sure you watch the videos. I'm not putting them out there for no reason, okay? Grades. You are taking grades for this. Grades will be complete for each week on Saturday, Sunday. That's when I'm going to go in and check for that previous week. So this coming week, I should have all your work done, hopefully by Thursday, so you don't have to worry about it, but I'm going to double check grades on Sunday. So then the following week, I'll reach out to you guys and say, hey, you missed this day, go back and check it. I'll look and see what's going on. If you're missing some, if you're still getting some low grades on some of this stuff, we may need to have a Zoom call together and say, hey, let's look at this individually and really get down to what's going on so we can help. Even though this is online, I still want you guys to reach out if you're having problems. If I'm seeing problems, I'm going to reach out to you. That way we can fix it before 6th grade, right? And you understand it more. That's what summer school is for. So, we're going to make this as painless as possible, guys. It's going to be a good summer school. And I want you guys to enjoy it still, so you'll have some fun activities throughout here as well, okay? I'll look forward to hearing from all y'all. Bye!